Hey guys, what's up? I'm absolutely thrilled to introduce you to the 2026 CVO Paint and Graphics. This year, Harley-Davidson's custom vehicle operations lineup is more expressive and more striking than ever before. You'll want to be among the first to experience these world-class paint schemes. And today, we're going to break down what makes each one special. Every Harley-Davidson paint scheme tells a story. Bold, expressive, and steeped in tradition. Since 1999, the CVO Paint program honors this legacy by pushing it into uncharted territory, driving advanced paint and finish techniques, including new colors, graphics, dazzling flake treatments, fades, and ghosted details. Some intricate multicolor schemes are accented with hand-laid pinstriping and innovative color shift paints, features that no other powersports or automotive manufacturer has ever attempted at this scale of production. The result? Every CVO motorcycle is shipped with a finish rivaling that of a one-off custom build, yet still meets Harley-Davidson's uncompromised standards for durability and quality, and is, of course, protected by our full factory limited warranty. This year, we're introducing 6 show-stopping colorways, each meticulously designed to turn heads and spark conversations. Let's take a closer look at each one. Citrus Heat CVO Tritone bursts onto the scene with a vivid, high-impact orange pearl with a raven metallic and magnetic gray tritone paint scheme with high contrasting dark finishes to really turn up the heat. Drop shadow airbrushing, silver pinstripes, and orange color accents on the seat trim, wheels, engine, and fuel tank medallion are added to further enhance the custom details. The Black Onyx PVD finish on the exhaust is remarkably smooth and adds subtle depth. You'll find the Citrus Heat Tritone exclusively on the 2026 CVO Street Glide Limited and CVO Street Glide 3 Limited models, making it the ultimate head turner for customers looking to stand out. Inspired by the 2025 Harley-Davidson Dynojet factory race team liveries, Citrus Heat Reentry takes the boldness of blood orange and adds a dynamic gradient, fading from searing orange into dark, smoldering undertones. The graphics are a combination of race checkers and segmented pinstripes to further enhance the performance feel of the scheme. The checkered stripes are masked off prior to the pearl coat to reveal the orange base color underneath. This fade effect, along with the Screamin' Eagle graphic, is a testament to the CVO team's artistry and technical prowess. The scheme is completed with orange and silver pinstriping, the perfect choice for riders with adrenaline in their veins. It's featured on the 2026 CVO Road Glide ST. Inferno Gray delivers a stealthy, powerful presence with a twist. The Inferno Gray initially appears as a dark, solid neutral color, but red effects begin to appear in the highlights as light hits the painted surfaces. It's definitely one your customers will want to see in person. The red in the paint ties to the red accents on the powertrain and elsewhere on the motorcycle. Refined yet bold, this color makes a sophisticated statement while remaining effortlessly subtle. Check out the stunning new Eagle or oversized bar and shield graphics available on the CVO ST models in Inferno Gray. Torched orange CVO Tritone brings the heat with an intense fire-inspired palette. This paint features torched orange, raven metallic, and magnetic gray colors to create a true tritone custom feel right from the factory. Drop shadow airbrushing is added with the magnetic gray panel and a color-matched windscreen to further enhance the custom details. Orange pinstripes coordinate with Harley-Davidson orange accents on the powertrain and seat cover. This model gets the full chrome treatment from end to end. You'll see torched orange tritone on the 2026 CVO Street Glide. Electric Coast is a cool, electrifying blue, modern, sleek, and sophisticated, blending cutting-edge style with Harley's classic attitude. The CVO Road Glide ST has the oversized bar and shield super graphic emerging from the Electric Coast blue on the sides of the upper and lower fairing and fuel tank, while the 2026 CVO Street Glide ST has an eagle graphic inspired by the factory race team. Performance red accents on the powertrain, seat cover, wheels, and windscreen complete the high-performance aesthetic. Finally, Electric Coast CVO Two-Tone amplifies the impact of Electric Coast by pairing it with a crisp, contrasting color, magnetic gray, creating a striking split that accentuates the bike's lines. A drop shadow effect and blue pinstripe coordinate with the blue accents on the powertrain and seat cover. Silver pinstripe scallops and a color-matched inner fairing add extra detail on these stunning motorcycles. This scheme is paired with the full chrome finish treatment to create a bright, custom feeling option. The Electric Coast two-tone is available on both the 2026 CVO Street Glide Limited and the CVO Street Glide 3 Limited. Each 2026 CVO colorway is more than a paint. It's a story, a statement, and a promise of Harley-Davidson artistry at its best.